Did you know that there are single words that act like keys to open very special doors? Yes, these are keys that unlock the power of your subconscious mind and help you to manifest what you want. These words that I am referring to are switch words. Switch words are simple, everyday words that carry a unique vibrational frequency. When you repeat them or even write them down repeatedly, they act as a mental switch. They turn on that specific energy that you need in order to create that inner environment, in order to manifest on the outside the reality of your choosing. Instead of long affirmations that very often your intelligent mind fights and resists, instead of complex rituals, switch words are not only easy, but they can be chanted anywhere and everywhere. They condense all your powerful inner intentions into one word or one phrase. They work because your subconscious mind doesn't think in long sentences. That is why affirmations very often don't work. Our subconscious mind works with vibration, with rhythms. All it needs are very simple triggers. Switch words bypass the overthinking, intelligent mind that is constantly second guessing or over analyzing. They speak directly to your subconscious, that part of you that in fact creates, attracts, and manifests the reality of your choosing. For example, the word count, when it is chanted over and over again like a mantra, is extremely powerful to attract to yourself money and prosperity. The word together brings your mind, your body, and your spirit in harmony, creating that perfect inner environment for focus and balance. The word love, when chanted repeatedly, brings harmony in relationships. All you have to do is to chant aloud or whisper silently within yourself, so that you create that inner frequency that is so important for the process of manifestation. These are words of frequency and vibration. So how you use them is not as important as using them repeatedly. They create that inner frequency that is required for your manifestation. You need to pick the switch word that can match your goal. Then you repeat it like a mantra. Yes, you can also combine 2 or more switch words and make a switch phrase that is entirely your own. The more consistent you are and the more often you repeat these words, the quicker shall you create that inner environment, and the quicker shall you be the magnet for your manifestation. If you want to know more about switch words, why don't you send me a message and let's get started on this process.